The application type is one of the reference types that represents an application, so a smart contract, and it is backed by a UN64 ID. To use the application type in your contract, you need to import it from the AlgoPy module like this. The application reference type has various application-related properties that can be accessed from the type. Let's take a look at a couple of them. The ID property returns the app ID of the smart contract. The address property gives you the associated application account's address. Quick fun fact, Algorand smart contracts are not accounts, but are just programs with logic. So, to handle any account-related logic, you have to work with an associated application account tied to the smart contract. More on this on a later video. The creator property returns the smart contract creator address. There are also other properties available for the application reference type, so pause the video if you would like to see what they are. For more information on the application reference type, check out the links in the description.